we're just here to open BoxyCharm because guess who subscribed to BoxyCharm again? Me. Looking a little weird and barefaced because I just have a base on right now and my brows, but I kind of wanted to try out the products as I open them, or like at the end. So I'm going to be unboxing this and then try out the products at the end. I will have a timestamp in the description if you're just interested in seeing the items in action, but for now, let's open this thing. This is what it looks like. I can't tell if you guys can see anything. My electronics are so messed up right now. Like, my camera is too old for my recently updated computer. Right now, I can see nothing. Like, I don't have a T3i, I have a T3. So I can't see what you guys can see. So, this could go very, very bad. So this is what the theme is, Gold Digger, and it has all the things that are in here, but we're not going to look at that currently because it's a surprise. Ooh, this is what the box looks like when you first open it. So the thing on top is a package of brushes by Luxie, which are some of my favorite brushes. I'm sorry if you can hear all of the bells. 2 cats, and it sounds like 20, but just 2. Why are you guys choosing now to play? Alright, so these are the brushes. Hopefully you can see them okay. Really, really pretty handles. Luxie, like I said, is some of my favorite brushes, so I'm excited to try these out. We have a mini round brush, which I think would work really well for your under eye or bottom lash line, and mini flat angled. Not really sure, maybe like inner corner. Mini angled. I don't really use angled brushes like this, but they come in like all brush things. Like, I don't really know what to use an angled brush for that's this big. Like, I use an angled brush for my brows obviously, but like it's super skinny. And then a mini tapered. This would be really good for the crease obviously. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Yeah, I'm excited to try these out. And that little kit retails for $21, and it is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. Yeah, $21. That alone is the price of the box. Why are you running around the apartment? He's not like the cat to do that. I'm so confused. Alright, next thing in here is a pair of tweezers by Farrah, I think is how you pronounce it, Farrah brushes. So it's just a pair of tweezers. I mean, not like super exciting, but oh, ooh, okay, so it's double-ended. So on one side is like the traditional tweezer size and shape, and the other side is like super sharp and pointy. I don't know what you would use that for though. I've never seen like a double-sided tweezer before, and they feel really nice and sturdy, but interesting. Those retail for $12. Oh, what does it say? The flat side removes coarse, thick hair, and the pointed side tweezes away even the finest of hairs. There you have it. That's what the pointy side does, I guess. The next thing I see in here is Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. Awesome, because I am a freelance makeup artist, so can always use a spray brush cleanser. It's great for on-the-spot cleaning between faces if you need to like reuse a brush. That retails for $12 as well. Next thing in here is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. These weightless drops of ultrafine glitter can be used anywhere you want a lustrous glow. To customize your finish, shake well and add desired amount of drops to any product or apply directly to the skin. I'm a little leery about the fact that they're called glitter drops. Yeah, that looks pretty chunky. So it's thicker than I thought. Okay, I don't feel like chunky glitter at least, but it does look pretty glittery on the skin. I don't know that I would use this as a highlight because it is so glittery, but it looks really pretty. I'm thinking holidays are like prime for this, like a really pretty glitter gold. Really pretty. Definitely not an everyday highlight though. Custom FX cover drops or glitter drops retails for $44. Woo! I didn't know these were that expensive. Alright, the last thing in here is a palette, and this is from Ace Beauty Grandeur palette. Ooh! That is gorgeous. Very similar to the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette in terms of tones. I'm gonna go grab that palette. Be right back. Just so you guys can see the similarities. I see some similarities between like Cinnamon and Realgar. This is a little more brown though. I don't know, it's just got pretty similar tones, which is totally fine with me. Like I said, I'm obsessed with my Modern Renaissance palette, so I'm excited to try this out. Retails for $24.99. That's really pretty. I'm excited to use this. Okay, so the total value of the box comes to $113.99, which is pretty decent considering you pay $21 total. I'm excited to try these out, so let's just get into the demoing because I am ready. I am going to try these eye brushes, but I'll try patchouli on the angled brush. Ooh. Alright, so it picked up a lot. Kind of chalky, but really similar to the Modern Renaissance palette so far. Update, that color is lighter than what I currently have on my lids for the setting of my primer, so that was pointless. Okay, let's dip into Cinnamon. Just using that same angled brush. Like I said, I don't really use angled brushes like at all. Not bad. It's definitely not transferring exactly like how I thought it would be on my lid. It's a little lighter. That may be the brush too though. I gotta switch brushes. It's not a bad brush, it's super soft, but it's kind of driving me a little crazy because I don't use that shape of brush at all. So, just gonna grab my normal. See, that was so much more pigmented. It was definitely the brush. I'm going to reach into, I'm feeling the poppy. Like I'm kind of wanting that like all over my lid. Oh yeah, like that's nice and pigmented. Starting to get a little bit patchy though. Apartment life is weird. I just heard someone's iPhone camera go off. I'm going to grab the mini tapered brush and dip into Poppy again and just kind of work in the crease a little bit just to blend what we've got. And like I said, that color got pretty patchy, so I'm gonna try a different brush to like build up on the lid to get rid of the patchiness, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I don't know if you guys can see what's currently happening, but it is like not wanting to stick in the center of my lid. Okay, this is what we've got so far. I'm really not a huge fan of this red, at least not for like an all over color. I don't know how well it would blend in the crease too though, based on how patchy it is. Oh no, that's making it worse. Let's do it on the other side anyway. I'm gonna try Primrose in the inner corner. Ooh, it's nice and pigmented. It's kind of really buttery, actually. Very pretty copper color, for sure. I thought it was going to be more gold, but it's very, very copper in the inner corner right now. I just dipped into Jasmine, which is that first shimmer shade. That's a situation. And that is where we're gonna leave it. The shimmer shades are actually really pigmented and buttery so far. Like, not disappointed in that. I think my inner corner turned out cute. So, yeah. I'm going to try these in my highlight area. I'm gonna say brush is probably not the best option. It's looking very like streaky. I'll just try patting it on. Back in with the brush to try to blend. Not a fan. Definitely does not match my skin tone for highlight. We'll try it by mixing it in with something in the future, because not a huge fan of that so far. It's very, very glittery. It doesn't really go with my skin tone, and I mostly just glittery, like, I don't know. Not a big fan of that so far either. Bummer. That's all that we can try from the box, unfortunately. Oh, my fire left. Well, what's the point in that? Not a huge fan of the red in this, but it's workable, and we'll see how I like it as I use it more. But I definitely prefer, if you're looking for a red, you should just get the Modern Renaissance palette, in my opinion. Splurge when it comes to reds. Yeah, so that was this month's BoxyCharm. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, even though it was a little bit later than other people's. But thank you so much for joining me, even though it was. I really appreciate all of you that are still watching. I'm excited to start making videos again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. And in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys!